Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, May 12th. It's about 7 in the morning. Just want to run through what's happening with gold as we have a long position, and I want to just kind of recap on what's going on and show you the charts of what I'm looking at. So right here we've got this is the intraday chart of gold. It's a 60-minute chart, so each candle here is 60 minutes. More or less, gold broke out above this resistance level here, and as everybody knows, I don't like to chase anything, so we let it run up, and then it finally pulled back, and we took a long position anywhere in here between 1170 and 1156. So we kind of scaled in over 2 days. Anyways, we're long gold from here, and now it's had this nice run up, and yesterday it popped and really just broke out to new highs. So that's pretty exciting. Right now we have taken some money off the table up here on all of our positions. All the charts, it doesn't matter what we're looking at, if it's gold or the GLD fund, all the charts look pretty much the same because they all track gold. So we took some profits on this rally. It did have a pullback. I wanted a bit deeper of a pullback. I wanted somewhere into the 1180, 1178 area. I was hoping to add more at a lower price. It only pulled back to about 1185, and then it rallied back up. So we weren't able to add any more, but we still have a long position. We sold about a third of it here, so now we're just rallying up, and we broke the previous high. I'll zoom out on the daily chart in a minute and show you. But right now, gold is just rocketing higher, and people are kind of piling in, trying to catch this breakout move. So that's where it stands right now. I have put in protective stops just below this swing low. So we have moved our stop up. We're long here, and now I've moved our stop up on all of our positions to about this level here, just below this swing low, so that gold has some room to move and mature into a larger play. So if we take a look at the daily chart, you can see gold's had this nice run up. We went long, just so everybody get their perspective here. I gave the buy signal here, and I said to scale in on any weakness over the next 2 or 3 days. We had the drop down, so we had an opportunity to buy gold much cheaper, and from there it's really rallied up. And so I've got our protective stops. We've taken some money off the table here. I've got our protective stops set just below these pivot lows. We're going to let gold continue to mature. This play could last several months depending on how it goes. But if we zoom out a bit, you can see we've broken the previous high in '09. Yesterday that was broken. Actually 2 days ago it was broken. And sorry, that was yesterday. The futures candle is today, this one. Anyways, yesterday the high was broken. We had some pretty good volume, not as big volume as I thought we would have, but anyways, either way, the resistance level is broken. Gold's trading at a new high, so there really isn't any resistance up there. There aren't sellers. So you can see these natural runs just like we had back in late 2009. Without any resistance, prices can really continue to just slide higher. So I think buying right now is kind of chasing. It is breaking out, so there could be a surge moving higher. But it's already had a pretty big run up, and I would expect that we get a pullback of some sort. But if I zoom out on let me just here's the previous play here in 2009. We had the breakout, and of course volume picked up, and we saw the breakout and run. And this is right where we're trading right now, in my opinion. We're just breaking this high. I think now we're going to get some of this kind of choppy action and grind higher, and eventually it'll pull back and it'll test this breakout level again, and that's when we'll look to pick up, add to the position, and that's when I think we're going to see a big surge and rally higher, just like what we saw back in 2009. So yes, gold's breaking out. It's very bullish. I'm bullish on gold, but I think buying right here, it could lead there could be a quick snap pullback, or it could just grind. But either way, I think it's going to come back down and test somewhere in this 1130, 1130 area. So that's what I'm seeing for gold. Um, Here is the Kitco overlay gold chart. So each color here is a day. Blue is 2 days ago, red is yesterday, and green is today. And I always look at this chart. It always seems to provide patterns. A lot of times the days overlay and move very similar. Right now we're just seeing kind of a steady kind of grind higher each day. So we'll see what happens today. Most of the move could be done today. It might just go sideways here, but we'll have to see what happens. Because we're at a new high, we could just see prices continue to drift higher for a while. So we'll just play that by ear. But on another note, I'll just pull up I have updated the position scoreboard, so you can take a look here. I've updated the protective stops for GLD, the gold futures, and HBU. So I have moved our stop loss up. So GLD is now 1660, GDP is now 31. Anybody trading the gold futures, the stop is 1183, and HBU is up 2550. And we did scale out of our position a couple days ago. I said to take some money off the table. So here is the percentage returns we pulled off the table for those. And right now we're just letting the trade mature. It could last a couple more days or it could last months. You never really know with the market. It's once you catch a nice big trend, the trend can last a long time. But right now with the market volatility and stuff, you never know. We could get shaken out later today. So all we do is we keep moving our stops up once there's enough room, wiggle room for the gold to mature, and we just keep riding it and adjusting our funds as we go. So that's about it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.